So welcome to another episode of us turning our $10 into $100. We are already currently at $100, and money management is always key if you'll be following this challenge. So we always trade with 10% of our total balance, and 10% of this $100 should be $10 since we've got into this milestone of $100, which I'm very happy about. So currently, as you can see, I'm going to take some couple of trades. I'm going to be analyzing 1 minute chart and taking my trades on 5 minutes, like I've said before. Trading on the next candle is very risky and should be only done by professionals. But as a new trader, I always advise you to trade from 3 minutes to 5 minutes so that you can give the market time to go to your preferred direction. All right. So we can see this kind of like a symmetric triangle. I'm waiting for it to get broken so I can take my trade in that direction. But previously we have a uptrend, a major, let me see. Okay, we had a downtrend. Now we have this booming uptrend. Now it's not forming this symmetric triangle. So I'm waiting for it to get broken so I can take my trade in that direction. Well, I prefer it to get broken in the upward direction so I can follow this minor uptrend. Let's just wait and see. Okay, it has got broken in the downward direction, but I don't trust this breakout because this might be a fake out like what we had here. Like what we had here, this too might be a fake out. So I'll wait for a retest. Then if I see a candlestick reversal pattern, then I might take the trade for the 5 minute and expect a reversal from this level, because like I said, I don't really trust this breakout, although this is a strong breakout in the downward direction. Well, if you remember what I said, we already have a growing uptrend. All right, price seems to be coming down, so probably this was not a fake out. I said, yeah, this was not a fake out. All right, I think we missed this trade. Let's just look for another trade there. You can see this triple bottom here. Neckline got broken strongly by this candle. Look at how marvelous it went up, even breaking this previous higher high. I told you, double bottom, triple bottom are huge sign of reversal, and it can easily break the previous higher high. So you can always count on it. So that's my best setup whenever I see double bottom or triple bottom or double top, triple top. The more, the better. All right. I'm up on that one, yeah. Double bottom, neckline, got broken strongly, and you can see silver. All right. This is a shopping market. I don't like trading on shopping market, but I think I will take this. But I'm going to wait because I'm taking this as, I don't know how I should cancel. Maybe I'll have a triple bottom. This should, so this should probably be our neckline. So I want to take it because this is a volatile market. You can see this long wicks here. This shows that this is a volatile. I don't like trading on volatile market. But if I want to trade on volatile market, I'll probably wait for margin of safety. So margin of safety is very important. So I'll wait for it to come back and retest this horizontal price channel. So let's come back and retest the horizontal price channel. And I might take it for 5 minutes in the upward direction. But I don't want to take it from here because the price might play around, probably even close below here. So I want to be on the safe side. Oh, what just happened? Is this MP? Whoa. I should have taken this. Wow, I just missed this opportunity. Like, what? Like, what? Alright, let's not soak on it. Let's just move on. Oh, look at this again. I think it affects all the peers. And this is real market. By the way, this is real market. This is not an OTC market. This is a real market. Even this is a real market. Ooh, what just happened? This one is also a real market. OTC market is trading normal. All right. Resistance area. I see a reversal candlestick pattern. I might just take this. Otherwise, we'll just continue this downtrend. Oh, you see, it means this. I should have taken it. That was why I told you in our last trading session that sometimes while waiting for the price to come back and retest, not every time the price comes down, right? As you can see, this one, maybe it broke it, it just continued in the downward direction, and that was why I missed this trade. I was waiting for it to retest and I missed this trade. So sometimes if you're waiting to take a high probability trade, you will miss some certain trades. It's normal. You just have to decide which one you want to do. That was why I like taking my trade. Make sure I just see the breakout, I take it so that I don't waste time on my trading session. If I was trading alone, I would take my time. So if you're trading alone, just take your time and take the profitable trade. It's better to lose a trade. It's better to miss a trade than to lose money. Okay, I think I'm taking this. Now I've taken this trade in the upward direction. I'm a bit late and I'll not like this trade is a bit clumsy, but I've been looking for trade for like a long time and I haven't seen any good trade. So I just decide to take this. First of all, we have this uptrend. As you can see, we have this uptrend. However, from this support area, the price couldn't break it. Came, reversed, came again, and formed this morning star. I think I've talked about this many times. This morning star pattern. And look at this strong. After the morning star, you can see this strong bullish candle. So I knew that okay, the price wants to go up, and yes, this resistance is close, but I have a strong feeling it's going to break it and probably continue this minor uptrend, which it wants to form. But let's wait and see if the market is going to prove me wrong or right. And that was a win. Like I said, I knew it was going to break this resistance and continue this uptrend. I can't emphasize it enough, but always try to take your trade in the direction of the trend. Like I don't know how to emphasize this. It's very important to always try to take your trade in the direction of the trend. Except you're a very professional trader, you can now like try to like define the trend. But if not, always stick to the trend. Now that's our first trade for this session. Now let's look for our next trade. I'm also taking this. I'm a bit late in this trade, but yeah, this is why I took it. You can see this rising wedge got broken by this strongly and continued the upward direction. Now it came back to this previous higher low, and I'm expecting another run in the upward direction. Would it break this? That's anybody's guess. Well, at least that's more than 5 minutes to take a profit. So either continue or reverse. But let's wait and see. This is sure going to be a winning trade. All right. Our second trade for this session was a win. Nice. Now let's just look for our third trade. I just want to keep this winning streak. I don't want to lose any trade. I'm taking my time to look for good trade. So I'm taking this for 5 minutes in the downward direction. As you can see, this is a minor downtrend. This is a minor downtrend. And the moment you got here, formed this horizontal price channel, got broken strongly by this candle. So I'm expecting another run in the downward direction, in the overall downward direction. I hope this trade doesn't embarrass me because I want to keep a clean slate today. But let's wait and see how it closes. Wow, that was a bit on the nose. That was a bit on the nose, but yeah, like I always say, the win is a win, and you can hardly go wrong if you're taking your trade in the direction of the trend. Now, we've taken 3 trades. Now, let's look for our fourth trade. Okay, I think I'll take this. If this give me an engulfing candle, I'll take it. Let's wait and see if this is going to give me an engulfing candle. Yeah, that's an engulfing candle. So I've taken it in a downward direction. As you can see, the major trend is downtrend. You can see this falling wedge here. The price broke goods. So this is, I'm taking this as a retracement. So I'm expecting another run in the downward direction. Obviously breaking this support area. But let's just wait and see how this trade goes. And our first trade was a win. So we've taken 4 trades in this session. 1, 2, 3, 4, all in profit. And our fourth rule says that once we have 4 winning trades, our third rule says that once we have 4 winning trades in a row, we close the chart for that day. And that's why we have to stop for today. So far, we've been, like I said, I wanted to have a clean slate today, and we did. I'm glad. All right, guys. So I have to call it a day. You guys to feel free to like this video, and let me know if you have any question in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next episode of this challenge. This is Captain White Candle. Over and out.